Alright, pressure switch air. We have voltage to the inducer motor. But it is not wanting to rotate. There seems to be some sort of obstruction inside of it. Let's see what we can find. And one more back here. Right there. Disconnect these wires here. Just like that. Sometimes they take two hands. But still, it's all loosened up. Still really tight. So we're ready to pull this thing out. It's always important to remember where your hoses are going. And this one goes right into there. And if you've never had to use an 11/32 before, right here, usually right on those motor mount screws, 11/32 nut driver. It's a secret weapon of the refrigeration and AC tech. Every kit comes with 5/16, 3/8, and 7/16, but getting 11/32, well, that's what ninjas use. As you can see, we're already seeing evidence of some stuff inside the inducer motor. So let's get this thing out and see what it is. Hopefully I can take it out without having to remove the gas line. Alright, here we are. Got it out. We've got some sort of debris in there. Feels like silicone of some sort. That's what it came out of. I don't see any evidence of stuff there. We do see the gasket looks like it's in good shape. This plastic is completely sealed up. I'm not able to see what's causing that silicone to come out. The only thing I can imagine is that there's some sort of internal seal that is failed on this. See a little bit of water staining there. I'm not able to see anything inside there that might cause that. I do see more pieces of silicone inside of it. Anyway, unit's under warranty, so I'll go get another one and replace it.